Mathematics is the queen of sciences. There's mathematics everywhere in nature. Show a place, a thing, matter, energy, force, etc. Wherever there are numbers, mathematics is there. And numbers are everywhere. Therefore, mathematics is everywhere.
Hi everyone, I am Joanne Bingkong Bases, a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. For today's video, I am going to present the three mathematicians and their contribution to the field of mathematics. And the first person that I choose is George Cantor. George Cantor, in full, George Ferdinand Ludwig Philipp Cantor, born on March 3, 1845 at St. Petersburg, Russia, and died on January 6, 1918. George Cantor, a German mathematician who founded set theory and introduced the mathematical concept of transfinite numbers, infinitely large but distinct from one another. George Cantor, also the man who discovered different infinities. He is best known as the inventor of set theory, which has become a fundamental theory in mathematics. Cantor established the importance of one-to-one correspondence between two sets. He defined infinite and real-order sets and proved that the real numbers are more numerous than natural numbers. In fact, Cantor's theorem implies existence of an infinity of infinities. He defined the cardinal and ordinal with arithmetic, a fact of who he was aware. And in 1895 to 1897, Cantor fully propounded his view of continuity and the infinite, including infinite, ordinals, and cardinals in his best known contribution to the founding of transfinite numbers. This work contains his conceptions of transfinite numbers, to which he was led by demonstration that an infinite set may be placed in one-to-one correspondence with one of its subsets. As a whole of the George Cantor contribution to the founding of transfinite number, his work has become selected by the scholars as being culturally important. And now, we are done in George Cantor, and let's proceed to the second person that I choose, which is Carl Pearson. Is the founder of science and statistics. He is also a founder of biometric and biometrica, and he also a principal architect of the mathematical theory of statistics. And he was born on March 27, 1857 in London, England, and died on April 27, 1936 at an age of 79. He was a polymath with a wide interest in intellectual and social pursuits, and first applied the mathematics in University College in London. He started to teach. Pearson was developed a measure of correlation and discovered a chi-square distribution and used it to test for goodness and faith and association and contingency table. He established and ran 4 laboratories and established the first degree course in mathematical statistics in Britain. He worked closely with Galton and Wheldon, and eugenics and heredity remain central interests throughout his life. Notion of Carl Pearson contribution, he has been created and establishing the discipline of mathematical statistics. He found the world's first degree in university in statistics department, and he contributed it to the field of geometry. And those are the Carl Pearson contribution. And now, let's proceed to the third person that I choose, which is David Hilbert. David Hilbert, born on January 23, 1862 in Königsberg, Königsberg, Russia, and died on February 14, 1943. He was a German mathematician who reduced geometry to a series of axioms and contributed substantially to the establishment of the formalistic foundation of the mathematics. Book The Foundation of Geometry, Hilbert described the set of axioms that remove the flaws of Euclidean geometry. These axioms unify plane geometry with the solid geometry of Euclid into a single system. David Hilbert is considered to be one of the most influential mathematicians in the field of geometry. And David Hilbert also proposed a list of 23 unsolved problems in the International Congress of the Paris. And Hilbert's 23 problems are the most influential list of problems of all time. This problem led to the development of the formalist school in mathematics. He started a research program which came to called David Program. He believed that this would be possible by showing all of the math follows a finite axioms which came to called a formalism. These are the three mathematicians and their contribution to the field of mathematics that I choose. And again, they are George Cantor, Carl Person, and David Hilbert. Thank you and God bless.